How to shop Amazon Pharmacy. Want to get your medications online? This guide shows you how to shop Amazon Pharmacy so you can get your medications delivered to your door. First, open the Amazon Shopping app. In the search bar, type in Amazon Pharmacy. The Amazon Pharmacy store will appear on top of the search results. Tap on it to go to the store. You'll be able to search for medications by name or by condition. To buy a prescription medication, you'll need to create a profile and add a prescription. You can either ask your doctor to send the prescription directly to Amazon Pharmacy or have Amazon contact your doctor. Once your prescription is verified, you can place your order. You can pay for your medications with or without insurance. If you have insurance, you can enter your insurance details to see the copay price. You can also see the price without insurance and compare it. It's a great way to get your medications delivered to your door. You now know how to shop Amazon Pharmacy. Get ready to get your medications delivered to you. Like and subscribe for more app tips.